Hello Spacetroopers Brazil, here is Ralf Heckel, your fan, and I want to show you now our campus, what is waiting for you, and to design your rover for the next challenge. First we have an overview over our campus. What you see here is our Polytechnicum, this is the workshop. What is 30 meters long and 6 meters wide. It has 2 floors now and a huge solar panel, what you see. There is the rocket. The rocket is also a sundial, you see. There is the shadow, and the shadow is looking forward to 15 o'clock, what is 3 in the afternoon. You have a nice pool, trampoline and the spaceship in the backside. Everything is solar powered, and here is our parking lot. This parking lot was made in the Corona time with our students together. Now it is nice, and it has 5 wall boxes for charging electric cars. Here you see a small electric car what is driving by our students, and the wall boxes for charging the electro vehicles. So here you have a pavilion where we eat every morning our breakfast, and there is our school. Looking into the workshop, here you see yourself, there are the Spacetroopers. This is the poster from 2019, the last real rover challenge. And here you see, haha, Spacetroopers. Okay, so, but I want to show you now that here, this is our new workshop, and you see there the Tesla symbol, and let us look inside. What is behind there? Then you see, wow, Sesam is opening. And so we renewed everything, and there is looking the Tesla outside. So we are in connection with Tesla, SpaceX and Elon Musk for our future, and so we are building here now electro vehicles. Our workshop is renewed. Here you see the Starship. This is Artemis, the NASA moon rocket, and here a lot of work, and our batteries, lithium-ion accumulator. Here we have fenders from the moon buggy. Here is the Tesla, and when we are looking here, then we see the cores of the NASA rover challenge, the new one. And here are all the rovers what we produced in the past 18 years. And what is coming there? Oh, this is the Spacetroopers rover 2018, 2019. And here we see also a cargo bike, the Indian rovers, and here are the 2 new rovers what we want to do with you now for the future. So let us look forward into our workshop. It has 2 floors now, so there is a stair where you can go up, and there is more to see. Let us going through that you see what we have here. So open, yeah, okay. Here is the machine shop where you have, take a light, so, where you have grinding machines, where you have cut machines, a ternary machine, here is a drilling machine, and all more, yeah. Yeah, but you need to plan everything. So we go into the next room, make a light, and here we have our mission control. Yeah, this is our CAD office. So here you can design everything what is happen for the rover, and now we are doing this with electromotors. Yeah, looking through our assembly hall, here is the welding machine, also accumulators, and what we see here, our first electro vehicle. This is a Cybertruck, what is built by Jesco, and this is now in work. Yeah, you see here, there are the accumulators, there is a motor on it, here in the back, yeah, and then we have the steering wheel, and everything is working well. Yeah, you see, okay, there are the pedals. So this need to be assembled in the next days, and then we have a Cybertruck with new glasses and body. Here are our rovers. This is the rover Ganymede. Then we have here Calypso, and this is our cargo bike, the former Lunar Hot. And in the back we are preparing our YouTube studio. And here our famous jumping 2 meters high NASA moon buggy race. So, and this is our new rover, what we used for this year 2024. And I also want to show you this. This is the same known procedure. Open and close the pedal, yeah. And the mechanic is new. You see this here. You can handle, you can touch it very well. And also here the suspension is by glass fiber, so it is very well. And there is the steering. And the steering has a specialty thing. What is here? This is the brake. Here you can stop the steering so that you can drive nice circles or long and exact lines. This vehicle, this moon buggy, will get electro power now so that you can remote control it and that you can drive it also with electro support. So you see here 4 rovers. We have here test bikes, electro bikes, what we use to test our electro vehicle systems. And outside on our campus you see here, this is the winning rover from 2019. This rover made the first prize in 2019 with Verine Bugenhagen as a pilot. She is now in Florida in the Embry-Riddle University and learns air and space flight. So to test more electro vehicles, we have here 20 electro bikes. All electro bikes are different. They have an accumulator and they have a motor inside, and we can test this and use this and also disassemble it for our electro vehicles. Very special is the upper side of our workshop. I go with you now upstairs. There we have another level where we soldering, make the electronics and make the light. The students are in school now, that's why here are no students now. So, and you see here is a lot of electronic stuff, robotics, controllers, astronomy and so on, and also our successes from the first prizes. Here around you can see that. Yeah? Okay, so looking forward to that store what we have here. I want to make also a light. Yeah, okay. Here you see test motors, test engines. They have 1000 watt. When I look now here, there are more electromotors for rovers like you, like the Titan. You are invited to come here to us and rechange your rover with electric power, that you can drive it with sun power and electro power in one. That sun power has a special force. You can see here on this rocket. This rocket was built from our students 10 years ago. Now we have a new rocket, and this rocket is also a sundial. It shows the time in every season when you want to see it and when we have sun. You see here a bow. This bow is the summer solstice. We have here 11 o'clock, we have 12 o'clock, we have 13 o'clock, and we have also another line. What is here? The equinox. This means the day where we have the same length of the morning and at the night. This is in March and in September. 13 o'clock and 13 o'clock. This is different. 13 o'clock this is in the springtime and this is in the autumn time. And you see this is a long line because we have the same time at day and at night. What for the time is now, you can see on the rocket here, because here is the shadow and we are looking what we have. 15 o'clock. It is exactly 3 o'clock. You see my shadow also here, and here is our campus. What for a power the sun really makes, you can see here on the counter from the electricity. I want to open it for you. Okay, so, and you see here, this is only the roof from our workshop, 5000 watt. plus 3000 watt. These are 8000 watt together. What we are doing now exactly to charge our Tesla or to charge this electro car or to charge all our other electro cars. To charge the electro cars we have these wall boxes here. These are from Tesla and here is a socket, so you can plug it in your car, in your motorbike or in the moon buggy, and then you can drive again. So here is the next. We have 3 other there in the opposite side, and what is really new is that on our house this is a facade solar, so this makes 17 kilowatt in one. So you have here on this roof we have now 8 kilowatt, what are maximum 22. We have there 17 kilowatt and on the roof also more. So now let's look into the Space Hotel. The Space Hotel is our house in Leipzig, what we have for our students to accommodate and to live and design here. Here is a small exhibition of our telemetry from the past years. Now we have here photos from our students, and you see here that is Puttkamer School and Space Hotel. And let's go in. Okay, so we are in the reception of the Space Hotel, where you see here our rockets again, and when you look here then you see our travel to the Artemis launch, and behind this there are the Spacetroopers with another spaceship and the Sugarloaf. Here you see Verena. She was the pilot of 2019, winning pilot, and now she is in Florida and learns air and space flight. Here you see our collaboration contract with ISRO, the Indian space flight, and offshore a lot of other things. This is our wall, and here is the reception. So, and looking there you see again the Spacetroopers and Pune and Morocco, and here is our little Jesco with a Cybertruck, and here you see him next to the Starship. So small he is. Okay, myself also. So I drive and fly every time to Boca Chica in Texas to see the launch of the Starship. So we have our laboratory here with Jesco from Puttkamer. Here you see all the memories from Jesco, as he was member of NASA, with an astronaut, with Gene Roddenberry, with Werner von Braun, and also with the Russian Korolev. On the opposite side you see our moon buggy and our wall of fame. This is our participation certificates and all our awards what we made in the past years with the NASA Rover Challenge. So see that. Let us look into the Space Hotel where you live anytime when you come to us and stay with us in Leipzig. Everyone has a chip where he can use this to open the door, and you see here there is a nice room where you can sleep together or separated, and you have a fan in the air.